Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common issue many of us face: Snapchat not working properly. Whether it's crashing, not loading, or any other problem, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's check your internet connection. Snapchat needs a stable connection to work correctly. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick settings menu and make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that fixes the issue. If your internet connection is fine, the next step is to restart Snapchat. Close the Snapchat app completely on iPhone, swipe off from the bottom, pause, then swipe on Snapchat to close it. Then again reopen the Snapchat. If restarting the app didn't work, let's try clearing the Snapchat cache. This can fix many issues. Open Snapchat and tap on your profile in the top left corner. Then tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to account actions. Now after you've tapped on account action, tap on clear cache. Then tap clear all. Sometimes an outdated version of Snapchat can cause problems. Let's make sure your app is up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Snapchat. And if you see an update button, tap on it to install the latest version. If the app is updated and you're still having issues, try restarting your device. If all else fails, reinstalling Snapchat can often persistent problems. If none of these solutions work, it might be time to contact Snapchat support. And that's it. I hope one of these solutions helped you get Snapchat working again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.